Okay, so for this one, we're going to focus on using a web browser and search engine. So before anything else, you should have your URL, which means Uniform Resource Locator. This is the one that you're going to input on the following um, web browsers. Now, first things first, you need to open any of those browsers that you can see on the screen. Now, if you have any browser that you know, you may also use that. Now that your web browser is already open, so for mine, I use Google Chrome. So usually it looks like this. Now, please take note, there is an encircled part there that is an address bar. It is where you're going to type your website address or your URL, which means that that's the site that you want to visit to. So after you typed in the website address in the address bar, all you have to do is just to press enter. And you will be redirected to the website that you want to visit to. So there you go. That's the website that I was looking for. As you are exploring the website that you are into, you will notice that there are times that your mouse will turn into a hand icon as you hover it to different words or pictures. And that's what we call as hyperlink class. So it is just simply a link, but they just put in a word to it or a picture to it, and when you're going to click it, it will redirect you to any other resources from that website. So let's say, for example, you accidentally clicked a hyperlink, or you just want to go back to the previous page that you want to go back. Then you may just click the left and right arrow button there. It means going back or going forward. So either those, you will be able to preview the pages that you want to visit or that you previously visited to. Now, if you think that the website stopped working or is loading too slow, you may click that refresh button there. It means that you're going to reload the website, and then it's just going to load again and will show you the website that you are currently on to. Now, what if, for example, you just want to stay in this specific website, and I want to go to other pages or explore other resources? So all you have to do is just to right click any hyperlink, then you will see there will be a pop-up box, and you will just click open link in new tab. So there you go, you will be able to see different resources, but you'll have two tabs already. The other one is the original page, and then the other one is the new page that you want to visit to.